Space, the final frontier for humankind. It's likely we've all gazed up at the stars and pondered the biggest question of all, what awaits us? However, what awaits us in the universe is much scarier than one might think. And in today's list of top 4 horrors of the universe, we'll explore some of the scariest things lurking in our cosmic backyard. Number 1. Asteroids. It's likely we've all heard of asteroids and their potential threat to planet Earth. These rocky bodies, made up of all sorts of minerals, lurk everywhere in the universe, including our own solar system. Some of these asteroids even gaining their light of fame among astronomers for their sheer size. Most notably for this is an asteroid named Ceres, spanning more than 591 miles across. Although asteroid impacts are common, they are not so in comparison to Earth's earlier days. These unfortunate impacts during Earth's early days were due to a lack of atmosphere, whereas today our atmosphere is rich and burns up most asteroids before they are able to make impact. No matter how common these asteroids might seem, they are still a cause for concern when they come near Earth's orbit. This instance is called a near-Earth orbit object, also known as NEOs. Number 2. Supernovas. Supernovas are the biggest explosion ever observed in the universe by astronomers. This occurs when a star 5 times the size of our own sun burns all of its nuclear fuel, exploding into a massive burst of energy. Nuclear fuel burns outwards, whilst gravity tries collapsing the star within itself. Once nuclear fuel has burnt out, gravity has won the battle, collapsing the star with the mass 1,000,000 times greater than Earth into itself in the matter of 15 seconds. After this collapse, massive bursts of energy are released into the universe, and if our Earth were to ever encounter one of these, it would ultimately spell disaster and destruction for Earth as we know it. Number 3. Solar flares. A solar flare is defined as a sudden yet rapid variation in light. This occurs when our sun, or a star, has a high magnetic buildup within its solar atmosphere and then is suddenly released. These solar flares explode with as much energy produced from millions of 100 megaton nuclear bombs all exploding at once. First observed September 1st, 1859, by astronomers observing sunspots, it later became a known fact that high volumes of sunspots can indicate a solar flare. Although our atmosphere protects us from these smaller solar flares, if one big enough were to reach Earth, it could ultimately destroy our atmosphere and cause damage across the globe. Sometimes these smaller solar flares can be observed as something we've all seen, known as the aurora borealis effect. Number 4. Gamma ray bursts. Gamma ray bursts are waves of energy that transfer through space and matter, varying in frequency. The frequency of gamma rays are 1019 Hertz, or 10 quadrillion waves per second. Gamma rays are produced from radioactive atoms or nuclear explosions. Sometimes they are even developed from a collapsing star. Thankfully, due to Earth's rich atmosphere, most of these gamma rays are eaten before they can make contact with the planet's surface. Without Earth's protective atmosphere, gamma rays have the ability to kill living cells, cause gene mutations, and even cause cancer. Gamma rays, without a doubt, make living in space one unwelcoming place for humankind. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's topic of top 4 horrors of the universe. If you have suggestions for other videos, leave them in the comment section below. This was a lot of fun. I actually really enjoy making videos and talking about space, so it was fun. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're watching on YouTube, watch it on my Facebook. If you're watching on Facebook, watch it on YouTube. Bye!